Yeah, then many thanks for that. And more earnings, Nasdaq-listed Cognizant's stellar run continues with its third quarter results coming in above what the street was expecting. In fact, the company has grown by as much as 5.4% sequentially, maintaining its growth momentum in a difficult environment. It's also said that it will retain its revenue growth guidance at 20% for 2012. Remember, that's way above the NASSCOM estimate of anywhere between 11 and 14%. For more on what's really giving Cognizant hope during these tough times, let's take it across to the company's Group Chief Executive, Technology and Operations, R. Chandrasekaran, who's joining in from Chennai. Mr. Chandrasekaran, thanks so much for speaking with us. You've had a stellar run so far, but we've been hearing pretty mixed commentary from most IT companies when it comes to demand. Where is your optimism coming from?
Yeah, the industry-leading growth that we have been, reporting quarter after quarter is a clear vindication of our, the uniqueness with which we approach the marketplace and the acceptance of, our services amongst our customers and the differentiated model that we have in terms of engaging with customers. This is a clear vindication of our strategy. And, as we have been saying for quite some time, we have a dual mandate from our customers. One is, almost all our customers are under tremendous cost pressures because of cyclical patterns in their own businesses. And so we work very hard in terms of driving efficiency and effectiveness in the way we support our customers running their day-to-day business.
Right now, with Obama's re-election, the Affordable Care Act, popularly called Obamacare, has got a lifeline. What opportunities do you see from this, since you get a quarter of your revenues from the healthcare space?
I think, the Obama's re-election probably bodes well, for healthcare reform process. And there has been some uncertainty and, which has led to some slower growth in the healthcare. But I'm sure those will be, reset, and I'm sure some of the regulatory work will come back, and that will drive growth in the healthcare segment. So we feel, good about the prospects for healthcare business looking ahead.
Also, Mr. Chandrasekaran, Infosys recently announced cost-cutting measures to maintain margins. Will more companies start looking at cost management, and what's the Cognizant take on this?
I think cost management is always important, whether it is good times or bad times. I think it really calls for a good operating discipline, which is always good for any organization. And in Cognizant, it's not something new. We have always been very disciplined in the way we run our operations. And we will continue to improve our operational efficiency to deliver better margins, to deliver better services to our customers.
Mr. Chandrasekaran, many thanks for speaking with us this evening. Let's move on.